Hello and welcome to another L and N Autocare video. In today's video I'm going to be giving my opinions on Car-Chem's Leather 2-in-1. This product is not only just a cleaner, it is also a conditioner, and best of all, especially for the mobile valet detailer out there, it is suitable on all types of leather interiors. I tend to use it on my partner's Arbath 500, as you'll see in the clip that I'll insert here now. As you can see, this product gives good results even just using a microfiber just to wipe over the surface. For mowing green dirt, it does say that you can use a detailing brush, so I can only imagine that it's going to be even better of a result. The other good thing about this product is it does come in 500, the litre, which is what I got here, a 5 litre and a 25 litre containers. So if you need any sort of leather cleaning, even for the insides and outs of those sort of leather interiors in those cars, you know, you don't have to charge a world for it. It's very economical price wise. As you can see, it's only a couple of sprays you need and it does a fantastic job. So I highly recommend it, and thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.